Severe thunderstorm watch.
Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the visitor. Remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for leaders' statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Tipton County in West Tennessee, Fayette County in West Tennessee, Shelby County in West Tennessee, until 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:32 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Horn Lake, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bartlett, South Haven, Collierville, Germantown, Olive Branch, Horn Lake, Millington, Cordova, Memphis, Lakeland, Arlington, Somerville, Byhalia, Walls, Mount Pleasant, Southwest Memphis, Illingdale, Whitehaven, Midtown Memphis, and Lynchburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 5 and 43. Interstate 22 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 240 between mile markers 12 and 30. Interstate 55 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 55 in Mississippi between mile markers 287 and 292. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the storm shelter or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi, DeSoto and Marshall, and the following counties in Tennessee, Fayette, Shelby, and Tipton.